Shell, what does it feel like to be playing that computer right now?
Feels freaking PC.
Feels dumb.
Exactly, and that's why you don't. Okay, so let's see what you're playing.
Can I help you?
Yeah. Can you like stop saying that?
Hey, Austin.
Can I help you?
Hey, Austin.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, Austin.
What?
TP.
What is shit?
I don't know.
Okay, let's use it like this. Go back to that guy again.
No. No.
No, that's what I call bring your epicosity. Yeah. What do you call epicosity?
My sexy face. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know.
Austin.
Okay, so try that again. What is epicosity?
Epicosity. Oh.
Minecraft. What's yours?
No, definitely not.
PewDiePie.
Not mine.
He's the bro.
PewDiePie is freaking. Yes. PewDiePie boss.
Okay, PewDiePie broship pound.
It's a bro pal.
It's a bro pound.
It's a bro face!
I'm a bro face, homie. She's the bro hand. She's bro hand. Okay, broken.
Boom, blew your freaking mind.
And I'm getting the Sims 3 because I want the Sims.
Mom has really bad sounding. Don't mind me just dying. She has really bad audio on her phone, so our voices probably sound super muffled. Oh, so attractive, Austin.
Totally sexy. She told me that. Say that, right? Totally, yeah. Okay, I'm acting like sarcastic right now, so I'm just gonna tell you that I don't.
Okay, can you stop filming?
Yeah, bye guys.